7 low-carb, high-fat foods to eat every day. Welcome back. Today we're exploring the magic of low-carb, high-fat foods that not only fuel your day but also enrich your diet with essential nutrients. Let's dive into our top 7 picks and learn how to use them effectively. We start with the beloved avocado. Beyond its richness in monounsaturated fats, avocados are a treasure trove of vitamins K, E, C, and B6, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. These nutrients promote skin health, enhance your immune system, and support heart health. Avocados are rich in both monounsaturated fats and dietary fiber. The combination of these nutrients helps slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach, thus enhancing satiety. Try scooping half an avocado into your smoothies for a silky texture, or slice it onto toast or salads for a quick, nutrient-packed meal. Next is the versatile egg. Eggs are a powerhouse of choline, selenium, vitamin D, and B12. These nutrients are crucial for brain health and energy levels. How to prepare? Boil them for a portable snack. Scramble them with veggies for a filling breakfast, or use them in a frittata for a family meal. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is known for its ability to increase fullness and reduce hunger by influencing various hormones that control appetite and digestion. Did you know? Cooking eggs with vegetables can help you absorb more vitamins from both ingredients. Hey there, are you finding this video of value? If so, why not subscribe for all our latest videos? Walnuts are up next. They are not just good for your brain but are loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid, and antioxidants like ellagic acid, which combat oxidative stress in your body. Best way to eat them? Toast them lightly to enhance their flavor and crunch, or chop and sprinkle over oatmeal or yogurt to enrich your snack's nutrient profile. Like other nuts, walnuts contain healthy fats and protein, which are digested slowly and help maintain fullness for a longer period. The fiber in walnuts also adds to their ability to keep you feeling satisfied. Let's rethink salad dressings with full fat options. These help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K from your greens. Ideal preparation? Whip up your own dressing using extra virgin olive oil, lemon, and herbs for a fresh, heart-healthy alternative to store-bought dressings. Next is MCT oil. Derived mainly from coconut oil, this supplement is a fast-acting source of energy that supports both your metabolism and cognitive function. How to incorporate? Blend it into your morning coffee or drizzle over salads for an energy boost without the flavor change. Dressings made with healthy fats like those from olive oil or avocado oil can slow digestion and increase absorption of nutrients, which helps prolong satiety. The fats help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to hunger. Salmon is also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. It also boasts high levels of vitamin D, selenium, and B vitamins, particularly B12, which support energy production and cognitive function. Salmon is versatile and can be prepared in many ways. For a simple, healthy meal, grill or bake salmon fillets with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs. You can also flake cooked salmon over salads or mix into scrambled eggs for a protein-rich breakfast. These healthy fats are not only good for your heart but also increase the feeling of fullness. Studies have shown that omega-3 fats can help regulate hunger signals and delay the emptying of your stomach. Salmon is high in protein, a macronutrient known for its satiety-enhancing properties. Protein helps regulate appetite hormones, and by slowing digestion, it can help keep you feeling fuller longer. Last on is olives, which are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which supports heart health. They're also a good source of vitamin E, iron, copper, and calcium. Additionally, olives contain polyphenols that provide antioxidant benefits. Olives can be eaten on their own as a snack or sliced and added to salads or pizzas. They also make a great addition to antipasto platters, or can be chopped and included in dressings and sauces to enhance flavor and nutritional content. The primary type of fat found in olives is monounsaturated fat, which can help slow digestion. This type of fat can contribute to a longer feeling of satiety and prevent overeating. While not as high in fiber as some other foods, olives do contain a small amount of dietary fiber, which slows down digestion and contributes to feelings of fullness. Integrating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet can transform your health in delicious ways. We have a fab video on the 8 healthiest foods with 0 carbs and sugar above, which will also keep you healthy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health-boosting videos. Stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.